So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text here on Inkscape. So once Inkscape's opened up, I want you to go to the left hand side of your screen and press on the A icon or the text tool. I'll go ahead here and just create my text. If I were to go ahead and type in right here, I'll just type in the word text just like that. As you guys can tell, there's my text right there. So I can go ahead, I can move it around, I can make it larger, I can make it smaller, whatever you guys want to do. If you want to edit maybe the text font or the color or example, just go ahead, highlight the text right here. You can go to the bottom, change the color of your text just like that. You can also go to the top here to where it says text and then where it says text and font. On the right hand side of your screen right here, you can edit the font, so you can bold the text right here, press apply. Now the text bolded. You can go to text right here, add whatever you want here in Inkscape. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add text in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.